Good morning, dear students. Last topic I have completed need for measuring scale. Now I will teach you need for standard scale or standard unit. In early days, people used to measure length with the help of various parts of body such as the outstretched palm length and foot length or the arm length. King Henry first declared that the distance from the tip of his nose to the end of the stretched thumb when his arm was stretched on sideways should be used as unit of length. He called this length a yard. In diagram you can see that average length of yard is between 80 centimeter to 90 centimeter. This is the 1 yard. Distance from nose to here, this is the 1 yard. Or they are using average arm length, or cubit is between 40 centimeter to 45 centimeter. From here to this length, this is the average arm length, and this is the foot length. Average length of foot is between to 20 centimeter. This is the outstretched palm, 19 centimeter. Before that they were using these parts for the standard unit length. Such unit can cause a lot of confusion in measurement because it is different to the different human beings. In 1790, the French created a standard unit of measurement called metric system. For the sake of uniformity, scientists all over the world have accepted metric system of measurement. Did you know? The people of the Indus Valley civilization must have used very good measurement of length. It is because we see evidence in the excavations of perfectly geometrical construction. In ancient India, small length measurements such as angul, finger or mutti, fist were used. Even today, in ancient India, they were using angul, finger or mutti. Even today, we can see flower sellers using forearm as a unit to measure the length of garland in towns of South India. Many such body parts continue to be in use as units of length when convenient. Standard unit of length. What is the standard unit of length? A unit which is acceptable to a majority of the people as a basic unit of measurement is called a standard unit. What is the standard unit? A basic unit of measurement is called a standard unit, and scientists all over the world have accepted a basic set of units for measuring the basic physical quantities, that is measurement of mass, length, time, temperature, etc. The set of units is called the International System of Units. The system International D units. It is generally referred to as the SI system, and according to the SI system, the fundamental unit of length is meter. Unit of length is meter. What is the unit of length? Unit of length is meter. In short form, meter is written as m. In short form, meter is written as small m. You may still ask, how long is 1 meter? Well, the iron bar used by a cloth seller is 1 meter in length. Scientifically, meter is defined as under. 1 meter is 10 millionth, 1 by 10 millionth of the distance from the equator to the North Pole along the longitude passing through Paris in France. This is the length. 1 meter is equal to 1 meter is 10 millionth. Multiple of meter. What is the multiples of meter? Meter is not a convenient unit for expressing long length. For example, the distance between Amritsar border, city of India, and New Delhi is 47,000 New Delhi is 470 meters or 470,000 meters or 470,000 meters. It is far more convenient to say that the distance between Amritsar and New Delhi is 470 kilometers. 470 kilometers. In Latin language, the word kilo means 1000. In Latin language, the word kilo means, what is the meaning of kilo? Kilo means 1000. Thus, 1 kilometer stands for 1000 meters. So, we can say that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. We say that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter.